If I would not have done ClearChoice, I probably would have spent $20,000 to $30,000 in dental bills caused by bad hygiene.
I spent a lot of money out of my own pocket on dentures, getting teeth pulled, partials. Go into ClearChoice. They'll help you. Think about how you're gonna feel afterwards.
If you're on the fence, the answer is just go and start that conversation.
They're not only gonna give you back this beautiful smile, but they're gonna give you back confidence, your self-esteem.
It's a free consultation, so you can just start the ball rolling and have that conversation, and it could change your life.
This is what ClearChoice did for me. They gave me my teeth back, but not only that, they gave me my life back.
I am so thankful for ClearChoice, that they care enough about people that feel like I do. And I just wish more people knew about it.
When you get to ClearChoice, the worries dissipated. They went away. They melted away like butter in a pan.
Don't wait as long as I did. Get off the couch and just go call and make that appointment. You don't have to decide then and there if you're not sure, but go get all the information and know that they can change your life.